Yeah, you guys are welcome. Welcome to Crypto Based Media. Tonight is a master class. Tonight is a hot session. So you guys are welcome. Welcome. I welcome you all to Crypto Based Media. I hope you guys can hear me. Please, if you can hear me, let me know in the chat session. Let me know in the chat session if you can hear me. Send me an eye in the chat session. Nice, nice. That's great. Nice. Nice. That's great. So let's use this little time to wait for more people so they can come in and enjoy from this session, guys. So more people can join in and enjoy from this session. So guys, please go to your chat session and share the link that is there. You can share it to your friends. Share it to your friends, guys. Go to the chat session and share the link. Okay, so I just sent the link to the chat session, guys. So please go to the chat session and share to your friends. Share to your friend, guys. Tonight is the night of masterclass, guys. A lot to be learned tonight. There's a lot to be learned. Okay. Nice. I'm loving that. I'd like to admit more people in so these people can also benefit from this session. Let me just do this so I can admit more people along the line. Great. So guys, introduction first. I am Rock, a analyst and a content creator for crypto-based media. And with me here tonight, I have two great people with me, or an investor. You need to understand what fundamental analysis is. You need to understand what fundamental analysis is. So I would like to put it this way. Fundamental analysis is the type of analysis that is off the chart. We know we've been hearing technical analysis. Technical analysis is something that has to do with the price action, something that has to do with the charts, your indicators, your chart indicators, your support and resistance. That is technical analysis. It is technical. But fundamental analysis is the analysis of the news, the coin itself, the project, the teams behind the project. That is what fundamental analysis has to do with. So whenever you are doing fundamental analysis, or when you hear someone saying fundamental analysis, you should know that fundamental analysis is all about checking whether a coin, a project, or a token is undervalued or overvalued, guys. I hope you guys can hear me. Someone please send a chat. Let me hear undervalued and overvalued. Let me hear undervalued and overvalued in the chat session. Let me see that in the chat session, guys. Okay, someone said it's breaking. I don't know. Can you guys hear me better now? Nice. Can you guys hear me clearly now? I'm trying to reposition my network. Great. I love this. Great, guys. So it is to know whether a coin is overvalued or it is undervalued. And there are measures, or there are factors that we can look for in fundamental analysis. The factor like microeconomics factor, the news, the team management, like I said earlier, the team behind the project, the developers, the community, and so on and so forth. How active the community is, how active the team is. That is about fundamental analysis. Like that is like the simplest explanation you can ever get for fundamental analysis, guys. So it is basically just to know the worth of the coin. Like, okay, if you're an investor and then you want to buy into a coin, you want to know whether is this coin okay? If I buy this coin now, is it going to go 100%, 200%? Am I going to get money from this coin? If I put in $1,000, is it going to turn to $2,000 or $3,000 or $4,000 or $5,000? That is what fundamental analysis is. It is basically knowing the intrinsic value of the coin. That is what fundamental analysis is, guys. So guys, I hope you guys are jotting something. I hope you guys are jotting. Why do we need fundamental analysis? I think I've covered this when I was explaining why we need fundamental analysis, so that we can know whether a coin is undervalued or overvalued. You can compare coins to each other. You can know whether you have to buy this. If you buy this, is it going to pump? If you buy this, is it okay? You see, your experts, your crypto experts, people that tell you buy this coin, is this, is that. These people, and especially on our own group, these experts, they've done their own analysis, their own fundamental analysis. They give you reasons to buy this coin because of the fundamentals they've done. They've carried out research. Guys, fundamental analysis is basically research. If you can't do research, well, I would like to say that I should forget about it, because that is basically what fundamental analysis is about. You need to search. You need to search and search again. That is what research is. You need to search and search again. Know what it is, what the coin is about. When you're going deep dive inside the coin, you know, for you to have invested like thousands of dollars in the coin, you must have checked that coin. They say, there's a popular saying that goes, if you don't know about it, you shouldn't invest in it. If you don't know about it, you shouldn't invest in it. So guys, if you are here and you don't know about Bitcoin or you don't know about cryptocurrency, I will advise you that you should search and research before you even put your money into it at all. You should understand where your money is going. That is basically why we need to know fundamental analysis, and why we need fundamental analysis. Okay, guys, what to look out for when you are doing your fundamental analysis? What are the factors to look out for when doing your fundamental analysis? What are the factors to look out for when doing your fundamental analysis? The factors to look out for when doing your fundamental analysis. So the first factor here is the team behind the project. Okay, let's say someone tell you about a NFT coin, or someone tells you about a coin. Let's take AXS, for instance. I'm going to be using AXS as example a lot. If you're a crypto trader, you're definitely going to know AXS and what AXS did in 2021. So AXS is not like a new coin. It has been, and it has made people crazy money. It has made people X's, number of X's, guys. So when you are looking for a coin, or when you are doing your fundamental analysis, you must first check the developers of the team. Who are those people behind this project? Who are they? Is it that they are just random people, or they are just fake people, or they just want to carry investors' money and run away? Do you guys get me? You need to know those people. You need to know who they are. Anytime you are researching a coin, when you go to your coin market cap, or you go to your coin gecko, I'm still going to get to these points later, guys. So when you get there, you must check the team behind this project. You can even enter their website, or you check their white paper to know who are they. Are they people that have face? You know, there are some people that they'll just create a coin, and then they will nail the team behind that coin, and then there's not going to be a face. They won't put their pictures or anything, so that people will not tarnish their image when so that people will not tarnish their image when the project goes down or it goes southward. You know, when you are doing something, when you are focused about the project, you need to know. You need to understand why you are buying this project. You need to understand what is the main reason that these people are creating this coin. What problem does this coin solve? What problem does it solve? What issue does it arrest? What is it doing better than its competitors? So guys, you need to know those things. It's very, very important. And then the roadmap of the coin, or like I like to call it, I can call it the marketing or the branding. So the roadmap, okay, let me pick the roadmap first. The roadmap of the coin is like the plans of, okay, someone said my voice is breaking. I don't know, can you guys hear me now? Can you guys hear me now? If you can hear me, send an I if you can hear me. Send an I if you can hear me in the chat session. Send me an I in the chat session if you can hear me. So, like I was saying earlier, the roadmap. You need to know the roadmap of a coin. I don't know. It's not everybody that knows what a roadmap looks like, but I will check. I'll try and check for you guys to see an example of what a roadmap is. To see an example of what a roadmap is. Okay, let me see. You see, guys, when you're researching about a coin, you need to know, you can just as well do a simple Google search. You can do a simple Google search to know. So in a roadmap, you know, you have stuff like Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. If you are new in the financial market and you don't know what this means, Q1 to Q4 is like the breaking down of a year by quarter. They call it first quarter, the second quarter, the third quarter, the fourth quarter. That is what it is. The first quarter of the year is the first 3 months of the year. The second quarter is the next 3 months. The third, the next 3 months. The last quarter is the last 3 months of the year. Okay. Okay, guys. So here is an example of a roadmap. Some people even do it in a graphical illustration. The roadmap, look at the roadmap for AXS right here. The Q1 2020, land and items migrated. Q2 2021, axis migrated to running. And then like that and like that and like that. So guys, I would like to make this snappy. I don't want to waste any of our time. So for you to know if a coin is very good and you can invest in, you need to check the roadmap and know if this coin is still developing. Okay, if you see a coin that is still developing till 2022, 2023, then that's a good coin to buy into. Because why? They are still developing. They are not just approach. That is why cryptocurrency is different from other financial markets. You need to keep on developing. You need to keep on building. You need to keep on doing things. Even in a bearish market, you need to keep on building. You need to keep on doing something so that your community can see you are developing and you are improving. You need to join the trends. So guys, that is that about the roadmap. And then the security of the coin. Guys, as you know, Bitcoin is very, very secure. Why? Because of the proof of work mechanism of Bitcoin. That's part of the reason why it is secure. So you need to check the securities of the coin also. You can head over to CoinMarketCap to like search that coin and then check. There's a section on CoinMarketCap that discusses about the charts. That discusses about the security. As I was saying, you need to know the security of the coin. There's a section in CoinMarketCap that is about the security of the coin. You see how secure the coin actually is and what the team has in plan. And then guys, another factor to look at is the supply of the coin, or let me call it the tokenomics of the coin. When I say tokenomics, I'm talking about two things. I'm talking about number one, the supply of a coin, the total supply and the circulating supply. The total supply and the circulating supply, and then the coin allocation. The coin allocation. In every project has a coin allocation. They give a specific percentage to maybe their teams, their developers. You just know whatever they allocate. Can you guys hear me, or is it still cracking? I don't know. I'm having issues with the business. Can you guys hear me clearly? Send me an eye if you can hear me, please. Send me an eye. Okay. Nice. So, okay. Thank you for that. So, when I say tokenomics, I mean the supplies. I mean the supply, the circulating supply, the total supply of a coin. That is what I mean by tokenomics. That is what I mean by tokenomics, guys. That's what I mean by tokenomics. So another factor to look at again is the history of a coin. You know, like the popular saying goes that says history repeats itself. History happens again and again. You need to look at the coin, how the coin behaves in a bullish market and how the coin behaves in a bearish market. This is all you need to know. You need to understand when you're researching a coin, when you're doing your fundamental analysis, you need to know how a coin behaves, how it has done in the past. If you're checking link now, you go to check the chart. If you check the chart on trading view, okay, let me quickly do that. I think I have my trading view on here. So trading view, I'm going to take a look at Bitcoin itself to check the history, to check the prices trend, so that you guys can understand what I mean by checking the history of a coin or a token. I hope you guys know the difference between a coin and a token. A coin is mostly referred to the projects that have their own blockchain. why a token can be a project that is built on other blockchain, like Ethereum, for instance. There are different tokens that are based on Ethereum blockchain. So that is basically what it is. Let me search for Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin USDT, so that you guys can see. Okay. Oh, great. Bitcoin USDT. Okay. So you guys can see what I mean by this is what an history is. Look at from here, we have, this is 14 August 2017. Look at it, a little bit of up here, and then here it went up and then came down. Bitcoin has been in a trend, a bullish trend throughout his lifetime. You can see it right here. Bitcoin has been in a bullish trend throughout his lifetime. But guys, you are not doing fundamental analysis there. Saying Bitcoin, what price was it during 2017, 2020, this and that? That's basically what I just want to show you guys. Okay, admitting more people. So I think that is all about the factors to look out for. Okay, another thing to look out for is application and utility. You need to check this coin. What is it used for? I think I've mentioned this before. In a coin, you need to check out its utility. You need to check out its utility. What is it used for? Is it a DAO? Is it DeFi? Is it a lending protocol? Is it NFT? Is it used for lending? Is it used for borrowing? A lot of things like that. There are a lot of coins that have a lot of utility. You know, now the race is about what can your coin do. The race is about what can your coin do. What problem does your coin solve? What problem does this project solve? If you see a project that doesn't have a real utility or a real use case, you should know that you shouldn't invest in those type of coin. Well, we have meme coins. We have meme coins, them Shiba Inu, Doge, and so on and so forth. And then meme coins, they've had their own uptime, and then they've had their own downtime. So there was one time that meme coin was trending and Dogecoin was pumping. Even Shiba itself, nobody believed that pump, and then it happened. So even meme coins now, they have some use case. They are planning use cases for their coin. So it's very, very important to check the application and use cases for a coin. So guys, the process of FA, the process of fundamental analysis. The process of fundamental analysis. The process of fundamental analysis, guys. Excuse me, let me just drink water. So, the process of fundamental analysis. This is the real deal, guys. Process of fundamental analysis. Okay, I would like to start with CoinMarketCap/CoinGecko. Like, when you hear about a coin, if you want to research about that coin, the first thing you should do is check your coinmarketcap.com. Check your coinmarketcap.com and check your coingecko.com. This is the interface of coinmarketcap.com, guys. This is the interface, and this is what a coinmarketcap.com is. If you're a beginner, I'll do this for the sake of the beginners. I'll do this for the sake of beginners. CoinMarketCap is a site that has detailed information about a coin or a project. They track the prices of a coin or a project through the use of the exchanges that this coin or projects that are being traded. They know the prices, the current prices. You see the current prices of the coin, and then you can see the history of a coin on CoinMarketCap. So I'll just quickly run you guys through. Okay, I'll just quickly run you guys through what is being displayed on CoinMarketCap. So yeah, this cryptos is the total number of the whole coin that we have in the crypto market. Imagine we only have about 18,000 and we are still early. Guys, if you are here and you're in the crypto space, I'd like to congratulate you, because why we are early. It's not just fun. People don't just say it's for fun. These things are real. We are early in the crypto market, and I'll still show you the reason why we are early. Okay, guys, can you hear me? Please send me an eye if you can hear me. Send me an eye if you are following. Send me an eye in the chat session if you are following. Send me an eye, please. Great, 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 great. Yeah. You guys calm down. You still have chances to ask questions later. So let me just go through with this. So as I said earlier, 18,000, we have about 18,000 coin in the crypto markets. And then we have exchanges also. Exchanges can be decentralized exchange or a centralized exchange. Centralized exchange like Pancake Swap, Bakery Swap, a lot of swaps, Uniswap, and a lot of them like that. And then we also have centralized exchanges like Binance, we have Wobi, and so on and so forth, Bybit, and so on and so forth. And then also the market cap. This is like the total valuation of the whole crypto market. Every coin, their market capitalization, everything summed up together is $1.7 trillion. $1.7 trillion. Bitcoin has, okay, Bitcoin is dominating the whole of the market caps, of course. Bitcoin is dominating the whole. Okay. Okay, so someone said the stuff is breaking. I don't know. Can you guys hear me clearly now? Can you guys hear me clearly now? Send me an eye if you can hear me clearly. Send me an eye if you can hear me clearly. Okay. Okay, great. Great, great, great. So, admit, okay. So, the 24-hour volume, like the money that has entered the cryptocurrency market in the past 24 hours is 65 trillion. Oh, sorry, this is billion. $65 billion, guys. Money is in my head, so that's why I keep hearing me saying billion, trillion, billion, and trillions, guys. Definitely, when you're trading in the financial market, this is what will be in your head. Even when you're trading, you barely mention naira because you deal in dollars. That is definitely what it is. So the dominance is like the percentage of Bitcoin or the percentage of a coin among the other peers, among the other coins. That is what dominance is. So now Bitcoin is dominating the whole of these 1.7 trillion. Bitcoin has a 42% share in the 1.7 trillion market cap. Bitcoin has a larger share in the market. Ethereum also has a share, but it is 18%. Ethereum has a share, but it is 18%. So that is that about that top. And then this one is just like the gas fee. That's just like the gas fee. And then here we have a lot of coins. You can also make searches on coin market cap. You can make searches on coin market cap. So guys, okay. We know when we are making researches about a coin. Let me use that AXS as I'll continue. I like to use AXS as our example here. I think I enjoy AXS as a coin itself. Okay, yes. You can come here to search whatever coin you are looking for. Okay, I'm searching for AXS right now, Axie Infinity. You will see the detailed information about Axie. You can even see if there's an upgrade that is coming up, or there is a rebase of a token, or there is change or anything. It is definitely going to be here. You see that here in the chat, I mean, in the interface of Axie Infinity on CoinMarketCap. So right here, you can see the market cap of Axie Infinity. Can you guys hear me? Please send me an eye if you can hear me. Okay. Nigeria and this poor network. I'm sorry for the poor network, guys. So has of 3 billion. This is billion. $3 billion. That is the market cap of Axie Infinity. Market cap of Axie Infinity. And then you can as well see the historical price chart of Axie Infinity right here. Guys, I'm showing you guys masterclass. This is like what people pay for. This is like what you get when you pay for a course. These are more. These are what you get when you pay for a course. Okay, what is this drawing? I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this drawing. How come? What is wrong? Okay. Okay. You can read a brief introduction about Axie Infinity right here. You can just read briefly and understand what Axie Infinity is from here. And then we can see, trying to move this to the left. Okay. Yes, you can see the market cap and the market cap dominance also. You can see that here. Yes, this is the current price of Axie Infinity, $51. And then the price change, 3% within the past 24 hours. And then the volume traded is like, for the past 24 hours, it's been like $279 million. And then the volume of the market cap and then market dominance, the market cap rank, etc. like that. So guys, in case someone shares you a coin or you find a coin that you think, okay, is worth investing in, guys, you can as well check them out on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko.com. Don't say they can't hear anything. I don't know. Can you guys hear me now? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Send me an eye if you can hear me. Okay. Okay, great. Excuse me, let me. Okay, great. Great, guys, great. Trying to admit more people in. Okay. Nice. Okay, I'm loving this. So when you are doing your analysis, you need to, like I said earlier, check the website, check the team. You can check all these on your on your CoinMarketCap. And if there are some information that you can't find on your CoinMarketCap, if there's some information you can't find, okay, yeah, I'm still coming to this later. But not now. I'm coming to this later, to this supply. When we get to tokenomics, I'm coming to that. So for you to check out the teams behind this project, I think I'm looking for where the links are, right? Yeah, so I can just log into their site and check. Okay. Sorry, looks like my screen is like messed up. Okay. Don't know what this drawing is all about, but okay, it's fine. So okay, so the related pages, I think this is where we are going to get those. Aha, you know, guys, I was talking about security. That there's a section on CoinMarketCap where you can check the security of a coin. This is it right here. How is the Axie Infinity network secured? You can as well read that later, or on any coin that you are researching on, you can as well read that. And then you can see the exchanges that are currently trading the coin Axie Infinity. Here is the markets that are trading Axie Infinity currently. And then you can even check the latest news on Axie Infinity, guys. So CoinMarketCap is like the home, and also CoinGecko.com. But to me, I think I prefer, I'm going to show you guys the interface of CoinGecko.com, because I think I prefer CoinGecko.com. It looks more technical and looks more like expert. It's not as fancy as CoinMarketCap, but I still prefer it because the data is like more accurate to me. The data is like more accurate. So let me check on LNR, Luna. These are the currently trading coins in the crypto market. You can, even if you are choosing coins, you can as well check them here. You can check what is trending. Why is it trending? That is what cryptocurrency is all about. So you can look at this coin with a lot of zeros behind it. So here we are. This is the website to this coin, this Luna. This is the website to it. You can as well enter the website and then you see what these people are currently doing. You see their team. Even on Medium, you can see what they are doing on Medium. Look at their explorers right here. And the contract address, guys, there are a lot of scams right there. There are a lot of scams out there in the cryptocurrency market. You can even see a Bitcoin that is not Bitcoin. You can see them on Trust Wallet. People can just create a coin and then they call it Bitcoin. They'll even give it the Bitcoin logo. But how do you know a coin that is valid? You come to this contract. This contract is what you know. Even if you want to swap a coin, if there's a new coin you want to swap, check this contract. Just make a copy. When you copy it, you can then paste it and then add this coin to your current this thing to your Trust Wallet, or you can add it to your decentralization so that you can swap this coin. So like I said earlier, this is their website. If you check in their websites right now, you can see what they are doing. You can see their whitelist, their white paper. Not whitelist, sorry guys. Their white paper. This is their white paper. White paper mostly are in PDF formats, but I don't think I'm ready to check PDF formats right now. I'm ready to check PDFs. So okay. That's opened it already. So this coin, look at their white paper. Right here, you're going to see their tokenomics. You see the team behind them. You see their roadmap. Guys, I was talking about roadmap earlier. You see their roadmap. Guys, I didn't choose this coin. Like, I just choose this randomly because I saw it trending. It's not like I'm telling you guys how this coin. No, I'm not here to recommend the coin for you. I'm here to teach you how to do it yourself. I'm here to teach you what fundamental analysis is yourself. So you can as well see the roadmap right here. And then when you scroll down, you're going to see the roadmap of whatever coin it is. Guys, these things, they are not really stressful if you can have patience. And someone that can do a good research is definitely going to make money in the cryptocurrency market. So this is their team. You can see these people, they have faces. If you see a project that has no faces, guys, I'm begging you, please don't invest in them, because it is very, very possible that they cut away with your money. They can rug pull. We made a video recently on our YouTube channel about rug pull scams. So you can as well watch that video later on our YouTube. So look at, this is the co-founder right here. And then they will state their mission and their vision. Look at all the people that are working for the team. They are all here. So that's how you know whether a coin is valid or not. And yeah, this is a graphical illustration of their roadmap. This is a graphical illustration, phase 0, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, and so on and so forth like that. And so on and so forth. And so on and so forth like that, guys. So I'm trying to get back to my, okay, admit more people. Let's get back to my, So we've seen their website and then their Explorer to see the recent transaction. I think they're on BSC, Binance Smart Chain. And then their community, their Twitter community, their Telegram community, their Facebook, even BitcoinTalk.org. Everything, they have their function when you're doing fundamental analysis. You can check the Twitter to know what people, you see, if you're trading cryptocurrency, you need to know, if you're trading cryptocurrency, you need to be on Twitter. You need to be on Twitter. You need to be on Twitter, guys. If you are trading cryptocurrency, because Twitter is like the home of crypto traders. Twitter and even Discord channels. I know people also NFT. They are very familiar with NFT. People also NFT on Discord channels. Please, if you are the one drawing on the screen, kindly drop it for now, please. So Twitter. You can check their Twitter. It's going to link you directly to their Twitter account. Guys, I'm teaching you masterclass to know how to invest in a coin. If you are an institutional trader or you move money, if you have big money and then you want to invest in a coin, these are definitely what you need to do. This strategy works every time. It works every time. You need to check this coin, check them, the deep dive of them. You know, there are times that we spend up to 2-3 hours researching the coin. Guys, it's not like we are wasting our time. We know what we are doing as crypto traders. And then it's not magic. We learn these things. And this is part of what I'm teaching you guys also. You hear people that are saying, I made 1,000% on this coin. They didn't just make 1,000% on that coin. They've researched that coin. They've checked what this coin can do very well before they even buy into that coin. Before they boast to you that they've done 700%, 1,000%, 2,000% on a coin. So they know what they are doing before they are telling you that, because they've done their original research. So guys, this is the Twitter page of that Luna. This is the Twitter page of that Luna. I don't know why. Okay, so this is like they posted things like, okay, this is just like a pin tweet actually. I don't know why this thing is slow. Okay. So you can just go through their Twitter pages and even their Discord channel and even on Telegram also. You can go through and see what their team is currently doing. How are they building? And as well on Twitter, guys, if you want to search on Twitter for a coin, you can as well search, just use the $, Let's search for AXS and see what people are saying about AXS on Twitter. Guys, Twitter is a good tool if you are doing fundamental analysis. Twitter is a very, very good tool that can help you when you are doing your research on fundamental analysis. Guys, see this. One is posting about AXS, Axie Infinity. I think an Axie sold, and then KuCoin, they are trying to make a research and know what people, the team that people are on these NFT projects, team A or team B. And then you also see what people are talking about the coin. Even if you search, if you make use of BTC, let's search BTC on Twitter. Let's search BTC on Twitter. BTC. Nice. So you're going to see what people are saying about Twitter. You can even see what I like about Twitter. You can see what someone said 1 second ago about whatever you are checking, about whatever you are searching. You can see whatever that person said right here. Look at it. So I think I've covered that. And then coder, or you're a developer, or you know about code, you can as well check out GitHub to see the source code of this project. You can as well check it out. And then these tags, they really help you to know what type of coin it is, what type of ecosystem it is in, where is it playing? Is it an NFT? Is it a DeFi? Everything will be in these tags. They will just put a BNB Smart Chain, NFT, DeFi, everything will be there for you guys. Guys, crypto trading has been very, very easy. Back in the days, all these things are not available. These tools are not always available for people, because we only make use of bitcointalk.org all those days. Bitcoin Talk is like, okay, not fun. I think there's an error. It's the site developed by Satoshi for crypto people that are in the crypto world to like chat and then talk with each other, and then they communicate. So, okay, I think I've covered that. Let me just go back to the homepage of coingecko.com. The homepage of coingecko.com. Okay. Back to my presentation. I hope I'm not. Okay. Oh, yes, I've talked about CoinMarketCap. You guys have seen how CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko.com works. I'm trying not to waste our time and then see how we can do this as soon as possible. Guys, do you know low market cap? You know, when you hear about low market cap, mid cap coin, large cap coin, and then low cap coin, that is part of fundamental analysis, guys. When they tell you that you should invest in a low cap coin, that is when you know that a low cap coin is a coin that, like, I think they are below 500 million market capitalization. That is a low cap coin. But if you see a market cap, I mean, a coin that has a cap of a capitalization of 1 billion to 10 billion, that should be a mid cap coin. And then when you see, guys, I'm saying this thing from my head because why? It's mastery. When you learn, that is why we keep telling people, you need to learn crypto trading. You need to learn crypto trading and investments. These things just flow. Why? Because I've done it, I've learned it, and I've practiced it over and over and over again. And because I have a good community that knowledge is being shared every time. A big shout out to Crypto Pastor and Trader Kiran for crypto for Love World community and crypto based media. Because guys, we have everything you need. You don't even need to start checking around again, because there's a lot of information that has been shared every now and then. Exactly, years of learning. So there's a lot of information being shared every now and then. So guys, as I was saying, I won't like to drift off. So you need to know coin ecosystem. I think I've touched that. You need to know coin ecosystem. You need to know, okay, I've mentioned the sites. I've definitely checked the sites when we are talking about that Luna coin. And then I've talked about Twitter. You can make researches on Twitter. Admit all, please. And then Discord and Telegram also. Very, very important. You see what people are saying about the project before you invest in it, before you put your money. And then WhatsApp groups, guys. WhatsApp groups is very, very important. When you're in a community like Love World Crypto community, guys, every day, even the screenshot of traders making money daily is enough to motivate you. If you're in this Zoom session and then you're in the Love World Crypto community, you know what I'm talking about. You understand what I'm talking about? Because there are various people, there are billionaires that share screenshots of how they make money. man, you get off your feet. Even if you are lazy, even if you procrastinate, you buy a course, you learn that course. Even if you don't understand, you learn it again and again so that you can make that money. Who doesn't want to make money? Who doesn't want to make money? Tell me. If you don't want to make money, let me see you in the chat session. If you don't like money, let me see you in the chat session. Let me see you in the chat session if you don't want to make money. If you don't want to make money, let me see you in the chat session. Let me see you in the chat session. Ah, wow. So everybody literally wants to make money. Okay. I believe you. I believe you guys. I believe you want to make money. So, oh, well, I'm still addressing people. That's nice. That's nice. So you need to be in groups, WhatsApp groups that give you updates, that share coins with you. Okay, buy this coin, it's too low. You can make your own research also. You know, there's this popular term that we say, Dio, do your own research in crypto. Wow, I've used over 15 minutes. Okay, do your own research in cryptocurrency. You're always saying it. Do your own research, Dio. You don't just say these things. It's because after the leader or someone that sees more than you has seen the coin and drop the coin in the signal room, they will tell you to also do your research so that you know this coin, you see what they see. Trader Kieran, after he has dropped the coin, he definitely sees something in that coin before he drops this for people. And then he also wants you guys to learn, to see what he's saying, to look at that thing with the same eye that he's looking at it, so that you can understand what he's seeing also. So that you can understand what he's saying also. You can understand, you can get it. You can get from the point of view. So the thing is that after you can see from there and then you see a good reason to invest, then you buy. Then after the coin starts pumping, then you enjoy. You just sit down, relax, and then you see your coin. You see everything just moving. Because sometimes it might just be that even in the midnight, you just see that your profit taking target has been closed. You can see that you've taken profit already. Once you've set it, or you see coins that do 700%. Guys, money making in cryptocurrency is real and it's not fake. You know, there are some people that they believe making money is like very, very unreal, or they believe everything they see online is scam, is lie, is this and that. Guys, I'm telling you, making money in the cryptocurrency world is very, very real. And if there's somebody somewhere that is telling you that it's a lie, crypto is a lie, man, leave them alone. No, they don't want you to succeed. They don't. Leave people like that alone. If it's your friend that are telling you that crypto is this, crypto is that, please leave them alone. Join a community. Pay to join. Pay to learn. Guys, I'm still going to get to that aspect, but that is that about our WhatsApp group. So I'm going to like try and make this very fast. So I mentioned social media as fundamental analysis earlier. There are social media sentiments up. Like there's this Lunar Crush. Yes, you can go on Twitter and search for Lunar Crush. Let me just do that as ASAP. You can go on Twitter and search for Lunar Crush. Platform called Lunar Crush. Yes, right here. Social intelligence for crypto. You see what people are talking about a particular coin on Twitter and on social media. You see what they are saying on Reddit about that coin. You can see it. Look at it here. Lunar Crush. Lunar Crush is right here. This is all those days. Lunar Crush were not available. Lunar Crush were not available all those days. You see, BTC Eats, top coin mentions. So today the top coin mention is BTC followed by Eats, followed by ADA, followed by Dogecoin. Well, look at on Twitter. People don't know things. They are still talking about Mr. Bio. See, still placing bets that are not sure. Why? Because maybe they are lazy, or I don't even know. Maybe if their ticket cuts now, they'll come back to their senses. I don't even know. I'm not trying to say gambling is bad or anything, but trust me, cryptocurrency is not gambling. Cryptocurrency is learning, and cryptocurrency is better. You can make money better trading cryptocurrencies than buying or doing sporty bet or guys. Crypto is a money market too. Crypto is a money market, and I'm saying these things because there's money in cryptocurrency, and then I'm a witness, so I know what I'm talking about. Guys. Okay. The tokenomics, yes, we are here. Okay, I think I'm almost done. That is the prediction. Okay. Tokenomics, guys. I mentioned tokenomics earlier. I said tokenomics is about. I said tokenomics is about supply, coin supply. A total supply, circulating supply. That is what tokenomics is about. I'm trying to get through to coin. Okay, coin gecko, yes. So let me look for a coin. Let me think. Okay, let me see from these guys. Let me see trending search. Let me use ANC, Anchor Protocol. Anchor Protocol. Anchor Protocol. Okay. So scroll down, scroll down. If you want to know, okay, here we are. This is what tokenomics is right here. Circulating supply, total supply, and max supply. That is what tokenomics is. The total supply of a coin. Bitcoin, it has a total supply of 21 million. We have 21 million Bitcoin that will ever exist in the history of cryptocurrency. After the supply is out, the coin will be scarce. After the supply, and the reason why we are looking at tokenomics as part of fundamental analysis is because tokenomics in a way if a coin is limited in supply, you know that that coin is scarce. Look at Bitcoin, for instance. Bitcoin only has 21 million supply. If Bitcoin is, I think Bitcoin is currently, circulating supply is currently 18 million. Like the Bitcoin that are yet to be mined, that are in circulation, are currently 18 million presently. So now imagine that 21 million is exhausted, and then Bitcoin is like, people are out of Bitcoin. People need Bitcoin. Bitcoin will be what? It will be very, very scarce, and then the price will go up. Well, thank God we are in Nigeria. You can see what is happening to price. Before I saw fuel to buy today, like I waited and waited. I queued and queued. Why? Because fuel is scarce. Guys, what I'm giving you is masterclass. You need to understand these things. When there is scarcity, the price tends to go up. So I look at people shouting, Bitcoin is down, Bitcoin is this, Bitcoin is that. We are still early. Bitcoin is only 18 million circulating supply. It's almost out of supply. Only 21 million supply. So now imagine that we get to 21 million and then we are out of supply on Bitcoin. Imagine what is going to happen. There will be scarcity of Bitcoin. Definitely. The price will go up. I bought fuel for 200 per liter today. I don't know how much you guys buy fuel in your areas, but I bought fuel for 200 naira per liter. I even paid for keg. I paid extra money for keg. Do you guys get why? Why is all these things happening? It's because there is scarcity. If there is scarcity, the price automatically goes up. The price automatically shoots up. Oh, you guys can hear me. Please send me an eye if you can hear me. If you are feeling this class, send me an eye. Let me know if you are feeling this session. Let me know if you are feeling this session. Let me know if you are feeling this session. Great. So when there is scarcity, you know that the price is going to go up. You see, that's why people tell you Bitcoin is going to $100,000, so $1,000 every now and then. That's why. That's the basic reason. Because when it is scarce, you get to know that, okay, if it's scarce, so, and then as is, if the Bitcoin is scarce, and then you hold about, look at MicroStrategy, they hold about, I think 200 and something Bitcoin. I'm not really sure about the figures, but let's say you hold about 100 Bitcoin, and Bitcoin goes out of supply. Man, you'll be crazily rich. I don't want to use the F word, but you'll be crazily rich. You'll be crazily rich. Imagine those days when Bitcoin was still at the very low price. Look at Bitcoin now. Do you even know that we are going to? Man, guys, if you are in the cryptocurrency world, be lucky. I mean, we are lucky. You need to thank your star. There's internet, there's cryptocurrency. So, guys, okay, enough of the drifting. Here we are, circulating supply. This coin, Anchor Protocol, ANC, it has been like 5.9% today. Why Bitcoin was down? Look at it. Bitcoin was it has gained added. The coin is about 14,000 Satoshi. Guys, if you understand what BTC Satoshi is, it's like the decimal behind a Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin is divisible normally, so it can be divisible into 8 decimal places. So even if you cannot buy one Bitcoin, you can buy Satoshi. So this price, this $5 is currently worth 14,502 sats. It's currently worth 14,502 sats. So forgive my voice, guys. So circulating supply. This one has a 260 million circulating supply, and then the total supply is 1 billion. The total supply is 1 billion, guys. 1 billion. You know, if you are doing your analysis, and then you see a coin that has a supply of like the supply of like 100 million. If you see a coin that has supply of like 100 million, jump on it. Jump on it. Like, there are very little coins that have those type of supply. If the coin has a limited supply, you should jump on it. This one still has plenty of supply, but it doesn't mean that it's not going to pump. There are other factors that will make the coin pump. Look at Shiba Inu. Those Shiba Inu, those meme coins, they also have crazy supply, crazy total supply. So this coin now is going to be out of supply when it gets to 1 billion supply also. So this is like, this is circulating supply right here. And then also in the tokenomics, it's just a pity that I can't see an illustration of a tokenomics pie chart, but it's always in the pie chart. You see the coin allocation of the coin. You see, that's what we are going to look into if you want to invest in a coin. You see, okay, can you guys hear me louder now? Can you guys hear me louder? Okay, let me proceed. So you see when a coin is being allocated, you see percentage team to the developers. You see what is allocated to the pre-sale, what they allocated to the public sale. Okay, you see what they allocated to the public sale, to the pre-sale. You see everything right there in the pie chart. Guys, I'm always loving it when people understand what I'm talking about, because what's the essence of a session like this if you guys don't understand what I'm talking about? I'm trying to look for that tokenomics. At the same time, I don't want to waste our time. Let me just proceed. So you guys, you are going to definitely come across it. You see tokenomics of coin, you see the coin allocation, you see everything right there. You see everything. You see everything right there. So that is that about the tokenomics. That's about the tokenomics of the coin. And then let me check my presentation slide. So we move on. Okay, predicting a coin value using market cap. You know, market cap, like I said earlier, market cap, like I said earlier, is like the total valuation, like the worth of a coin. You see, many people make mistakes. They make mistakes by saying, this coin is still $0.00000. It's going to pump. If this coin should get to $1, I'm rich. You are deceiving yourself. I'm sorry, you are deceiving yourself. Because the thing is, that is not how to know a coin value. It is called market cap for a reason. It is the capitalization of the coin, and it is calculated by knowing the circulating supply multiplied by the price of the coin. That is what gives you the market cap. The calculation is right. Say, guys, when I want to get your calculator, just for a simple calculation, I must tell you, I don't like maths. Honestly, I don't like mathematics, but cryptocurrency will make you like mathematics. But although it's not really a large mathematics, like just something easy and simple, guys. Okay. Just something simple and easy, guys. Just something simple and easy calculation. So to know the market cap of a coin, can as well check it. Circulating supply, like I said earlier, times the current price of the coin equals to the market capitalization. You can use your phone calculator now. Check 5.74 times 260 million. Check it on your calculator. 260 million times 5.74. I'm very sure that it is going to give you this 1.4 million, 1.49. Sorry, is okay. That's billion. That's 1.4 billion. That's what it's going to give you. 1.4 billion. 1.4 billion. So now, if you are doing your fundamental analysis, how do you know that a coin is undervalued? You don't measure it by, most people make that mistake by saying, the coin is still in $1. If it pumps to $1, then I'll get my profits, or then I will make my money. I'm sorry, because the coin, the price doesn't really determine. This is what really matters. If you see a low cap coin that's about 500 million downwards, my friend, before that coin gets to like 1 billion market cap, that's like times 2 of the coin. If the coin is currently in $1, it will pump to $2. That's like 100%. And that's money right there. That's money right there. Do you know, if you put $1,000, that's $2,000 profits. That's $2,000 profits without trading futures, without trading leverage trading, just on your spot account. That's like, so that's why I said you need to know a low cap coin, a mid cap coin. Mid cap coin is between 1 billion to 10 billion. You can still write. And then high cap is like 10 billion upwards. Bitcoin and co, like the top 10 cryptocurrencies, they are all high cap coin. So guys, I think this one is still a mid cap coin. Still a mid cap coin. So guys, for you to know, go back to my presentation. For you to know, to predict a price, like to predict a coin. So how can you predict it? Instead of you saying that this coin, the price is still in $0.0000, it's going to pump to $1. So I'm sorry, to make it right, to do the right calculation, this is what you have to do. Your predicted market cap divided by the current supply equals to the predicted price. Okay, let's say we want to make this coin is going to enter $10. Once we predict this coin is going to enter $10. For it to enter $10, that means the market cap must have multiplied by 2. Instead of 1.4 billion, we can be saying 3 billion. It's just as easy as that, guys. It's as easy as that. You know, the market cap calculation is circulating supply multiplied by the price. Now, if you want to predict the price, you predict the market cap. Okay, let's even say this coin reaches a 3 billion market cap. Now, we'll say 3 billion. You can use your calculator, 3 and 6 zeros. 3 billion. No, that's 9 zeros, I think. 3 billion divided by the current supply, divided by this 260 million, divided by 260 million. Do that in your calculator, guys. Do that in your calculator. You see that you are going to get $10. Your answer will be $10. That will be the answer. That will be the answer, guys. If you use your calculator, that will be the answer. I'm using my calculator right here. That will be the answer. Goes to your predicted price. Guys, it's as simple as this. So if you see a coin that has a low cap, okay, let me show you guys another secret. Guys, these secrets, they are worth thousands of dollars. Like, there are courses that share these secrets for thousands of dollars, but we're giving you here on crypto-based media for free. You can as well sort, yes, you can filter on CoinGecko and on CoinMarketCap. So let me use categories. This is just ecosystem. This is just ecosystem. I'm trying to sort it by, okay. Let's see, categories, no. I don't know, looks like this thing is a different thing entirely on the system, because I make use of it mostly on my phone. But if you find your way, you can find your way in it. And then look for, you can sort CoinGecko, you can sort it by low cap coin. That means low cap coin is going to be here first. The low cap coin will be here first. Okay. Oh, good. From 1 to 100. I'm getting it now. This is descending order. Top 100 cryptocurrencies in a descending order. This is top 100 cryptocurrencies in a descending order. Guys, this is how you spot for gems. This is how you spot for coin. This is how you spot. Look at this. This is like 100 downwards. So if you really mean business, you can check the market cap. You can see that this one still has low market caps. Look for coins that has low market cap. Check them. Check their fundamentals. See what they are doing, what they're about to do, their roadmap, what they are going to do in future. So that is how to spot for coin, to spot for gems, to make money in the crypto market, to do fundamental analysis, guys. So guys, as I was saying earlier on our WhatsApp groups, we share these stuff. We have educational materials that is going to make you gain mastery. Like, you will know all about cryptocurrency, even if you want to invest. You know, I see some people saying, I don't really want to know about cryptocurrency, I just want to invest. I'm sorry, even as an investor, you need to know this knowledge. You need to know these things. After doing your fundamental analysis, you then head over with your technical analysis to buy. You head over to your technical analysis to buy. You buy and then you position yourself, because when you are well positioned, you can gain percentages, you can gain money in the crypto market. But when you are not positioned, I'm sorry, you might not be able to, you might lose out on pumps. You won't even know what's going on in the market. And how do you know what's going on in the market? By buying a course, by entering a community full of rich people, a community full of crypto traders and crypto investors, a community full of whales. We have Love World crypto community, guys. And the fact is that the community, the access fee is still cheap. Honestly, the access fee is still cheap. The access fee is still cheap. The access fee is still cheap. Guys, don't worry. I'm going to share crypto-based media number very, very soon, so that you can view our status, join our Telegram channel, and then show your interest if you want to join the crypto community. So, like, there are courses that even by these Oyinbos, you see courses that are $5,000, $1,000, and they will share you signals and then they'll teach you about these things. Funniest thing is that they might not even teach you up to what we are teaching you on Love World Crypto community. They might not even teach you up to that. And how much is the access for Love World Crypto community? Just $230, and that's like a slash. That's like a price slash. And I'm very, very sure that this price is going up very, very soon. So guys, I'm advising you, if you are new in the crypto market, buy the dip. You need to buy the dip. You need to buy the dip of this course, because the Love World, the online crypto trading course of Love World Crypto community, the price is increasing very, very soon. So it is better, if you don't even have the money now, it's better you save up and then buy the course, so that you're not going to miss out on the dip. You're not going to miss out on the dip, because when you buy in this course now, you get access to mastery. You get I know what I'm talking about, guys, because I don't know my words. If I keep saying this like this to look like this thing, but the fact is that guys, at 130,000 naira, online crypto trading course is still very, very cheap. And I know what I'm talking about. You just give it time. Let Bitcoin pump. You see how people will be rushing into crypto. Before then, our community, this thing might have increased, though. Our price might have increased, though. It might have increased. So I'm advising you guys that you should join, pay to get access. We pay for, I know people that make use of iPhones, iPhone 13, iPhone this, iPhone that, and then they tend to measure wealth with the devices or the phones that people use. The devices and the phones that people use. The thing is, that's not actually wealth. That's not wealth. Honestly, your wealth is in your investment. What you are investing in, online, digital, and physical. You need enough financial knowledge. We are giving you enough financial knowledge on Love World Crypto community. We are giving you enough financial knowledge, and then you get access to people that are experienced. People that are experienced, that have been in market since 2017, 2016, guys. How much? For 130,000. 130,000. This might even be maybe your savings for like 2 months. This thing. But guys, I know what I'm talking about. I paid for access, I paid for knowledge, and then I'm getting knowledge, and then I'll continue to seek knowledge. That's one thing that financial this thing is about. And for you that still have the mindset of saying, why are people selling course? The learning is supposed to be free, supposed to be this and that. I'm very sorry for you. This is the reason why I'm sorry for you. Your mindset is a very, very poor mindset. Sorry to say. It's a very, very poor mindset. The reason is that, you see, when you want to learn, if you read books, you know what I'm talking about. Read books like Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad Poor Dad. Just that books will get you started in the financial knowledge, in the financial market. It's you understand, even if you follow Robert Kiyosaki. I still saw Robert Kiyosaki's post today that was saying inflation is eating. And what's your edge against inflation? Is investing in properties, investing in cryptocurrency, investing in financial markets that will get you rich. That is it. Before it was stock and stock, and then people were not really if you're not rich, you can't really gain access to to stock markets. If you are not rich, you don't know your ways. But now cryptocurrency is open to everybody. In fact, with your as little as low as $10, you can trade. You can trade as little as low as $10. And that's the difference between a crypto market and other financial markets. There is difference. Please, if you are the one drawing on the screen, kindly stop it, please. If you are the one drawing on the screen, please kindly stop it. Thank you. So I'm advising you right now to join the course when it's still low, just 130,000. And if if you need to join, you can message us on our number, Crypto Based Media. Our Crypto Pastor, please, I'm going to pass the mic to you right now. Please kindly share the Crypto Based Media, our number of Crypto Based Media. And then we also have a YouTube channel. If you come late, the session is being recorded. So we are going to upload it. Just subscribe and then click the bell icon. I'm going to share the link to our YouTube channel very, very soon now. I will share the link to our YouTube channel very, very soon. Okay. I'm going to be handing over the mic to Crypto Pastor now, and I hope that you guys have questions for us. Well, I'm going to let me hand over the mic to Crypto Pastor. Okay, great. Okay. Crypto Pastor, you have the floor now. You have the floor now.
Yeah. Yeah, good evening, everyone. How are you doing? Good evening, everyone. If you can hear me, just say hi. If you can hear me, say hi. Well, yeah, good evening, everyone. If you can hear me, say hi. Nice. Okay, as usual, I would love to introduce myself. My name is Crypto Pastor, your billionaire friend, the tormentor of your village people. And I'm just here to make common sense. So, Rock, I really appreciate the effort you put in tonight. Okay? Even I myself has benefited a lot from this. You see, there's some content they call premium content that's valuable content that you will not just see anywhere. You see, you want to make money on this space. You want to build wealth, not just ordinary wealth, you mean generational wealth. You have to do what the rich do to become rich. Do you understand me? So, Rock has actually explained this topic, fundamental analysis, to the peak. Like, I enjoyed it to the very last. And I'm glad and I'm very, very impressed with his performance tonight. And I believe you all were able to gain massively from today's Zoom meeting. So what I will just do today is more of like a recap, or probably just drop 1 or 2 points to make it sound more easier for you. You see, fundamental analysis is all about you gathering information. Then you as a trader, you know the kind of projects you have been, as a trader who has been on this space, you have seen projects, you have seen good projects, you have seen bad projects. You have gone to check what made this project good project. What did they do? Who are the co-founders? What did they do? What were they doing to encourage investors? What were they doing to attract investors? Then that made that processful. Then you will now check the new project you want to go into and check, okay, are they doing similar things? Are this project, are they pushing just the way this other project did? You understand? So what I'm just trying to say in essence is that I will just give you my own terms and make you understand more on how Rock explained fundamental analysis. See, fundamental analysis here is just a method of research that studies basic financial information to forecast profit. Because whatever information you are gathering about a coin, I repeat, whatever information you are gathering about a coin must be information that, yes, if I put this information together, put this together, it will be a profitable information that will put me in profit, give me an edge in the market, okay? So that's why I told you fundamental analysis is gathering financial information to forecast profits. Okay, this information plus this information plus this information plus this information together, okay, is equals to, is there 100% profit if I go into this project? Am I sure, okay, of making so amount if I go? What's the possibility of this project being a good one? You are trying to forecast profits. You are trying to check the supply. You are trying to check the demand. You are trying to check the project strength. What is the strength of this project? Is this project a long-term project or a short-term project? Will they be able to pull up what they promised? You are trying to check their management ability. Okay. And also at the end of the day, you are trying to check their growth potential. Okay, over time. Well, you know, as investors, we think long term. Okay, over time, will these projects be able to perform like this? Over time, when AXS came outside, it was a gaming project. Okay, they started pushing a long time ago. Okay, and all of a sudden you realize that they were doing the right thing. They were pushing out. You know how the gaming industry, how it outperform other coins. So that is just how to do your fundamental analysis. Let me tell you something. Fundamental analysis is the sweetest and easiest thing to do on this space. It's the sweetest and easiest thing to do on this space. It's just for you to just go. Okay, when you go to your coin market cap, you have Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, WhatsApp, everything is there for you. You are going, just as if you want to go into a project. When you go into a project, even in real life, before you go and buy a land, you first ask, who is the owner of this land? Who was the first person to buy this land? I want to see the document of this land. How big is this land? Is there water passing through this land? Is there possible earthquake or whatever they call it, or erosion that can possibly affect this land? That's you checking the probabilities. That's you checking the probability of the land over time. Same as a coin. You don't just go to a coin blindly, because if you go into a coin blindly, you blindly go to your village and meet your village masquerade over there. When going to a coin, first thing you do, you go into their social media pages. You go and check their Twitter, check their Telegram. If they're on Facebook, check if it's verified. Do you understand? You check if it's verified. You check their Twitter. You check their Facebook. You check their Telegram groups. There is no good project that is not on Twitter. In fact, as a crypto enthusiast, if you are not on Twitter, you are doing nonsense. You have to go back to your village and remain there. You have to be on the internet. That's where things happen. Internet is a new oil. Do you understand? So, as a crypto enthusiast, you have to know how to use social media. Let me give you a short story. I bought a coin. I think I can't remember. I was trying to remember the name of the coin then in my early days of trading. Okay. This coin sent me back to my village very fast. Then I was still a very, very newbie there. I don't know what. I was just like, someone just told me to buy a coin. I'll just go. I'll buy the coin. I'll just buy the coin aimlessly, blindly, because they told me it's going to pump. Luckily for me, I joined the Telegram. I joined the Telegram group. Once I joined the Telegram group like this, I saw investors complaining. They don't know what they don't know what is going. They don't know what is going on with the coin. It's not pumping. The coin is just dipping and dipping and dipping and dipping. It was dipping and eating our destiny. You understand? I put about $500 on that coin. About $500 on that coin. Do you understand? So I don't even know what was going on. And especially whereby you're in a Telegram group, people that are investing in the coin are complaining. Okay? So what do you expect? Investors are not happy. And a prayer whereby investors are not happy, what do you expect? There's going to be a downtrend in that coin. So all of a sudden, coin started dipping. Guess what happened? The admin of that coin in that Telegram group was laughing at us. Anybody that talks anyhow will be kicked out. Imagine we that invested our money in a coin that you told us about, all because of our lack of ignorance. I won't say stupidity. Our lack of ignorance. We could not make proper research on the coin. We entered the coin. I went out one chance, like Nigeria called one chance. We went to go and buy black market. We thought we bought coin. You understand? So the coin was just, investors were complaining, they were just kicking people out. Guess what? Admin bought a Bentley. He posted one sweet Bentley and one wristwatch, a very sharp Bentley and one wristwatch in the group. In the Engram group of the coin he bought a sharp Bentley. He told us boldly that he has eaten our money, and this is what he used to buy: a Bentley and a very, very sharp. What's the name of the what do you call it? Of the, I don't know the watch self. Nobody could even say anything. That's because of our ignorance. We're looking for quick money. A sharp Bentley, sweet one with a very nice wristwatch, very expensive one with a smiling face. We were just laughing at us that yes, he has eaten our money. There's nothing we can. Yes, it's crypto. It's financial market to teach you lessons sometimes if you don't discipline yourself. I accepted in good faith. When somebody are complaining, say, I made this loss and crying. The loss we have made in the past, if we tell you, you won't be able to stand. Losses are part of the game. Let me not divert from the matter and let me go to what we are talking about today. Fundamental analysis. Okay. So, like I said, fundamental analysis is you picking information. This is no matter of charts. Forget the charts. In fundamental analysis, you don't need the chart. I repeat, in fundamental analysis, you don't need the charts. You don't even need to know what is going on in the charts. Let me tell you, I only use fundamental analysis to create my watch list. Okay, if I see good coins or good product, I'll be watching them. Drop them. They're observing the move price. I will not use technical analysis to observe the price movement. What are they doing? You understand? Is the fundamentals on this coin? Is it moving with the price on the chart? Something like that. You get? No, I'm not looking at the chart. I'm just trying to tell you that I just use the fundamental the fundamentals to know if I'm going to hold a coin, if it's a good project. You understand? I use fundamental analysis to know a good project, while I use technical analysis to trade it. I repeat, I use fundamental analysis to know a good project, while I use technical analysis to trade it. It says that I use my technicals to know good entries. Okay, yes, this coin is fundamental. After I've gathered my information, I say, yes, this coin is fundamentally okay. But when do I enter? Because you don't have to enter at the top, okay? So I have to be very careful. There is no straight line in a bull market. And again, success is not a straight line. So I've not seen a market. I just went up straight without retracement. It's a lie. So I'll wait for a better entry. Okay, so I will not get back to my village in a jiffy. So like I was saying, or like I said, I use fundamental analysis to know a group. So now, before going into a coin, you go into the coin market cap. Okay, check the social media. You do have the website. Is the website functioning? Now you check through the Twitter. You now check, what are these people doing to attract investors? Are they doing giveaways? Are they doing are they giving people tax? Okay. Sometimes you say this is an airdrop. They are doing giveaway. Share this. They'll give you one ASS, 2 ASS. Share this. They'll give you. So like you see the activities going on. Check that group. Are investors complaining? Are they happy? Are they talking about the coin in a good manner anyway? There's how investors. Just like when people are happy of joining, when people are joining MMM, or I don't even know what I will call it that time. People are giving testimony. MMM is this, MMM is that. What investors are what? Happy. Bring one person to get 10%, 10% to get 20%, 20%. Investors are happy, right? People are coming in. Then MMM was booming everywhere. Bars, most people were selling their father's land to go and invest in MMM and Rackstelli that year. Rackstelli fans, how far now? Happiness. So I don't want to complete the song because I was talking about Rackstelli that year. This was last year when I was talking on my crypto TV. I was talking about Rackstelli that year. They were telling me, keep quiet, boss. Black Gold is this. Black Gold posted recently. Go and check. He has gotten married. Where are you? In your father's village, drinking palm wine under the mango tree. I was telling you that time. You will come back. See, this is my tongue. You will lick it. Because I'm here to say the truth. I made mistakes, yet. That's why I'm telling people from my mistakes to learn from it. Just as some people can never learn. They only learn through experience. 80% of Nigerians, mark my word today, I, Crypto Pastor, is saying this, 80% of Nigerians, okay, learn through experience. Mark my word. You understand? So, like telling that, like telling people, boss, you're saying nonsense, boss, this is a lie. Raxel is best. I got paid. Where is Raxel now? My guy, Jimmy in Dubai, they got married to a very sweet wife, very beautiful with your money. You understand? So, just that's by the way. I haven't forgotten what I was saying, but that's by the way. Like I said, investors are happy they're investing in and all. Understand? So you check, are investors in the group happy? What are these people doing to this coin? Is it a good project? What is the all-time low? What is the all-time high? What is the market cap? Is it still very cheap? You know, when a coin is still very cheap, it has what? Value. You understand? Is it still very cheap? Yes, if it's and is it a good product? You understand? If it's still very cheap and a good product and you put money, definitely you are going to go far. I heard Rock talking about low market cap. Yes, invest your money in low market coins and all, you're going to make good profit if it's a good project. Do you understand? So that's just it, okay? So you now invested in MMM, finish, and you went, and at the end of the day, after you get your money and complaining, and you don't even know the kind of risk we're taking. We're taking financial risk. I don't know what to call it self. Do you understand? So I'm not trying to give people like more of like a physical example. You don't just stand and the content. Half a guy. This coin they pump. Go and buy this coin. Put 1,000 and get to trust my Nigerian fans. Oh yeah, bass boost. You understand? Coins that do not have low market. Every coin has a market cap. You can check it now, but you have to still be very careful. It's how you check all these things. So over time, when you become, see, there's nothing you can. I cannot teach you everything just today. But when you're in a when you're a community, when you enter into the system, you know how to get through all these things. See, trading is simple if you keep it simple. Let me tell you something. I've not really been trading much lately. Let me tell you something. It's time to. I told somebody in my group, okay. I said it's time to trade. It's time to invest. It's time to scalp. I don't trade in an indecisive market. What's an indecisive market? A market that's ranging, like today, like when last 2 days ago, Bitcoin was at 39, following days at 41, next day 39. So it takes discipline to trade in such market. And if you know your mind cannot take it, it's just better for you to leave the market and wait for the time you know you are good at. You get? Okay, so that's just it. So, like I said, fundamental analysis, okay, is more of like you picking informations, okay, picking up facts about a company, checking. Sometimes you see a coin, the person that created. Sometimes you see a coin, someone that created AXS will be in the team of someone that created Gala. So now you see someone that created AXS was a very, very successful coin, and someone that created Gala is in the team also. Someone that created Sand is in the team also. You'll be like, if these guys are in this team together, this coin it will be a good project. It's just logical, okay? It's just logical. Just as if okay, Binance, yeah, Vitalik, Buterin, the other end. Then now saw Ethereum is a good project, BNB is a good project, okay? They now saw CZ and Vitalik came together and they brought in a new coin. Definitely, if these guys that perform well like this on this coin, this coin is still going to perform, this new coin will perform. Then we get to your information and facts. You check who are the co-founders, who created this coin. Through co-founders, you also know how to place yourself in the market. Okay? So that's just how it just works for you on fundamental analysis. So let me just tell you something now. And also, news about it. Why you need to be on social media? Why you need to be following up your coin? News affects the price move of a coin. Okay? There can be news that affect the coin in the short term, and there can be news that affect the coin in the long term. Financial news, okay? Financial news, like I said, they don't time. I don't know. Let me use Bitcoin as example. When they said El Salvador bought Bitcoin, what happened to Bitcoin? Bitcoin has been moving normally. It has moving. You get my point? You understand? It has been growing without the El Salvador news and all. So when they heard about when people heard about investors heard about El Salvador making Bitcoin legal tender, okay, what did they invested more? And what happened? Bitcoin pumped to 75, if I'm not mistaken, in a short term, because that news made Bitcoin to pump in the short term. So you as an investor, okay, you have to look at the short term and the long term. But me as an investor, I think in the long term. Okay, if I hold this coin this now within the next 6 months or a year, with what this coin promise and the project, what is looking like and what information I got, I think over time this coin will be a good project and it will pump. So to cut long story short, like I said, I just give you some basic tools. Your coin market cap is your number one tool in the fundamental analysis space. Okay, there you see the cap, the supply and the demand of this coin. Is there you see the social media handle of this coin. It is through the coin market cap you check, and then Rock has actually given you guys how to check all these things. I saw it, just that I cannot start going over and start opening my phone again. You see supply, you see the demand of the coin. Okay, is the supply higher than demand or demand higher than supply? Is it a low market cap coin? Okay, who are the people managing this coin? Are they capable? What is the growth potential of this coin? What is their strength? Okay, who are the founders? Have they done something like this before? You check about the founders. You go ahead and check about the founders who created the coin. What have they achieved? What have they checked? What is their net worth? Are they capable of pulling such investors to come there? What are they capable of doing to attract? So I think I've said it all. I think I've said it all. See, fundamental analysis is just very sweet and very, very interesting. Okay, so that's just it. I don't want to take much of your time. Like I said, Rock has said it all. Okay, I don't want to take much of your time, but like I said, I use fundamental analysis alone to know a good project. I use technical analysis to know when to trade it, to know when to go in. Okay, I am an investor and I take in a long term. Do you understand? So that's just it. So, like I said, also you have to join a community. Every Saturday, I always come here. To tell me, boss, it's just as if these days they created I will for some people in the dictionary. And I will has taken you to your village. This is already March. Bet me and see, we are going to April, May, June, July. And you say, I will. So people are, yes, fine. A lot of people are there out there afraid of investing or risking their money to learn. See, even in the free town, no knowledge is free. Mark my word. In fact, as for me, it got to a stage in my life where I don't want anything free. I don't just want it. I like paying the price. Because once I pay the price, I feel it in my body. You understand? I feel it. Even the God we serve, okay, we still want us to show appreciation. You have to praise him. You have to thank him. So everything you do has to, in fact, even from the day of creation, okay, they said we are going to labor before we eat. That's it. It has been declared that whatever you do, there's a price to pay. Like I said, even from the beginning of Genesis of this world, it has been declared before man will eat, he will labor before he reap the fruit of his labor. So you cannot expect anything good free. People that got scholarship for free read and studied before they were given that scholarship. Do you understand? So that's just like, so is that the good that, boss, the money is too much, the money is that, the money is this. I know I've been in this space for up to more than 5 years. My TV have been on the crypto TV, I've been here for more than going to 2 to 3 years now. Okay, so that is just it. You just imagine the price I've paid, how much of group I've joined. So you want to make money, you don't want to know what the billionaires are doing. Because there's no, in case there's a very, very important news, if you're in a community, instantly you get it. A community that is very active. I post a lot of screenshots about my community. I post a lot of activity about my community. So you have to just join a community and do what works. Just do what works. Don't think you are smart. You think you can make a loan in the crypto space. The crypto space is wide. It's wide. Okay, there are lots and lots of ways to make money, but you have to be in the right space. Positioning matters. If you like, position yourself in a village and think you're going to make money, I'm telling you, you're going to you are going to remain in your village with your village masquerade. You understand? Because I, crypto pastor, will continue tormenting you till you do the needful. I will push you to bring out the best in you. I'm not here to come and drop signals for you, and because I know the time, I know how much time I spend on research. Let me just come and start dropping signals for you and all. No, put in the work too. You want to be like me? I've been training for you. I've lost money and I've made money. Okay, and I've traveled out. Okay, I'm enjoying my life now. I'm reaping fruit of my life because I know, yes, I worked for it. So that's just it. That is just it. So I'm about to do something here to be 5 signals. Yes, so that's why there was a guy that checked me up on my Facebook. I was telling me, boss. He didn't want to tell me, boss. He told me, give me signal. I said, I just give you signal like that because I'm working for you, Abi. That just told me, give me signal. I say, why? What happened? He said he lost money, about $5,000. And I started laughing. It was like, I'm laughing at him. I don't know how he feels. I said, you that came to my DM, you didn't even greet me, just want to give you signal. I said, I'm working for you. I should not laugh because it's quite funny. You understand? I said, I'm not going to give you any signal. It's the same signal I gave to you that you lose $5,000 because of lack of you don't want to learn. The same signal I gave to you that sent you to your village, I use that money. You told me out of about $5,000 or so, you have $80,000 left. Now I should come and console you. Don't worry, it's me of village man should come and console you. I should give you a signal. Same signal as what you gave to you and lost your money. Okay, I gave you as well. I gave you signal now. You don't even know how to enter the trade. No entry, no exit. You know when the trade, you know when trade is on downtrend, you know, your $80,000 left now. Next security pastor is a bad person. I gave you bad signal. Things don't work that way. He was not telling me, boss, I was telling you that my money went, and I'm laughing at you, that I should give you, instead of me to give you 2 to 5 signals to raise money to buy my course, I should give you 2 to 5 signals to raise money. It was the same 2 to 5 signal I gave to you that you lose your $5,000. They are looking for backup. Don't worry, I said, you lick my tongue. The truth is bitter. So I don't like sounding push. I'm not begging anybody, but I'll speak the truth. I'll tell you how it works. Like I said, pray for knowledge, pay for knowledge. Knowledge is power. Before I took that word as for granted, but I knew knowledge was power. I know how far my knowledge has helped me in life. In fact, I don't have anybody to come and be telling my boss to do this, do that. I don't have anybody to come and push me around. I don't like it. Okay? But I thank God for who I am today and who I am today. Okay? And God will continue to bless us all. I don't want to waste your time. It's already late. It's already 10 o'clock. I really appreciate you all today. I don't think we won't have time to take much questions. But if you have like 1 or 2 questions, I'll just answer 1 or 2 questions because I think it's as easy as ABC. It's as easy as ABC. And once again, I thank you, Rock, for this wonderful and great section. Okay. So if you have any questions to ask your honorable crypto pastor, because I am crypto pastor, your billionaire friend, the tormentor of your village people, follow me and have fun staying rich. So I have like 5 minutes to answer your questions. So if you don't have any questions, we'll call it a day. It's great time. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. I'm here to answer you. Just 5 minutes. And if there's none, I end the meeting immediately. God bless you all. So within 2 minutes, if you have any questions, please, we have exceeded our time. We have spent more than an hour plus here. Can drop the question in the comment section. Please ask me meaningful questions related to this topic. Don't ask me a question, I'll just get to my nerves. Yes, a coin with a high market cap is good in the long term. You find, see, low market cap, high market cap is not really the problem. As long as you are trading in the long term, as long as you have done your proper analysis, okay, in the sense that, okay, you have gotten all the information that make you feel that, as a trader, you have to think in probabilities, okay, over 100%. How many percent sure are you? Okay, sure. Are you fine with this trade? Are you 80% or 70% okay with all the information gathered? If you're okay, then go see. As a trader, execution is key. You can gather all the information to gather this world. If you don't execute, you're not going to be profitable. You're not going to make any money. So, market cap or no market cap, okay? If a coin is a good project and you have gotten your information, fine, you can invest in it, okay? can invest in it. And a trader, and it will be more favorable to you, an investor, to take in the long term. That's just it. Okay, Rock, okay, you can answer the question. Let me just.
Okay, to add to what Crypto Pastor has said, to that question he has answered, the thing is, high market cap coin, you can also invest in them. But the thing is that the returns you get from low market cap will be more when they pump. If a low market cap does times 2 or times 3, I mean, a low market cap can as well easily do times 2 or times 3 or times 4. But for a high market cap to like do X's, to do times 2, times 3, times 4, to be easier for a low market cap to do that. But another thing is that if the trend is on a high market cap, that particular high market cap, it can pump even more than a low market cap. So it depends on the market condition. If that high market cap is pumping and people are buying it like crazy, then you can invest in it. But you don't wait till when people are buying before you start investing. You have to spot this stuff early so that you can buy it and then so that you can buy it and then you profit from it. It's as easy as that. So, Crypto Pastor, continue with the question.
Yeah. Okay. That's good. Yeah, that's good. So we appreciate you all. See, this year, I mean, I'm not ready to beg anybody to join the platform or pamper anybody. Okay, we're here to build together. Even there's somebody that from people in my platform, okay, that join our platform that make good research. I bought coin from my students. They analyze some coins I bought. I made profit. See, it's about building wealth. Yes, I know more than you in this space, but what I don't know about tomorrow. You might come across good project. You might be so good as me in the long run. Bring good project to in our group. We all make money. We smile. We turn billionaires. So tomorrow, you tell me, Alpha, my billionaire friend, you're doing great. You get. So I'm not here to pamper anybody because I know the energy in me. I'm not here to share the kind of energy, my energy, the kind of people that deserve it. You understand? People that deserve the same energy. We're not here to pamper anybody. You understand? So yeah, just it. So I think we'll be ending this section today. Okay. James Oyebode, I think they've answered that question. So that's just it. It's similar to the same question you asked earlier. You understand? So Rock, do you have anything to say so we can round up?
Okay, just to finalize, because time is gone already. I don't know, this person saying Sky Prince. Well, the thing is just follow the formula and then you get it. When you follow the formula, you'll be fine. And then James that said high circulation, supply, and low market cap is a good combo. I would like you to say limited or a limited supply and a low market cap is a good combo. Like the combo is very, very good. A low market cap and then a scarce coin is a very, very good combo. So I think that is going to be all. I think that's all. I'm trying to understand the question of this person. Well, please just try and follow. Just try and follow the formula we've given you guys. It's very, very easy. In fact, you can use that formula to like do fundamental analysis in 5 minutes. You can do fundamental analysis in 5 minutes with that formula. If you just want to do quick fundamentals. And Crypto Pastor, I don't know if there's more things that you want to add. And then, guys, if you want to, if you need the recorded version of this class, I just pasted our YouTube link and then our WhatsApp number so that you can message us. Even if you want to purchase online crypto trading course, message us on WhatsApp with that number that I shared on the screen. And then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon. Masterclass like this are being uploaded on our YouTube channel weekly. We do reviews on NFTs too. So guys, subscribe to that YouTube channel and then hit the bell icon next to you so that you get notified anytime that we post. That will be all.
All right. So I'll be hoping to see new members coming in. I just need let me see. It's a like crowd. Let's see the first 5 people that will join me this evening. And let's ride. The first 5 people to join me and rest on our platform. Let's enjoy the ride together. Let's make research. Let's build wealth. Let's make money. There's money in this crypto space, okay? I'm not here to pamper you. I will make sure you put in the work. You learn. You're going to learn and you're going to earn. You learn before you earn. You don't earn and learn, okay? So let's see the first 5 people to go on the ride with me. So if you're really interested, 130K for grabs. Let me put it out for grabs. 130K to leave your village and chill with the big boy. Not to bam bam. I said, we're not going to be singing. If I broke down my business, I love that singing the song, but it's only broke people that sings that song. Let me tell you the truth. That's not you need to cover up. You sing, you want to bam bam, you want to chill with the big boys. Yes, now you're talking like a man. The video there is in O2 Arena there. If you want to fly to O2 Arena, UK, London, you have to start now, build now. It's not too late. There will be more O2 Arenas to go to, bigger than that. And in fact, I'm looking for people that will follow me to World Cup 2022 by December. Let's see who's ready. Let's see. Let's put as a bet. Let's see how many of us are ready to go to World Cup 2022. Let's see. We don't want people that are always looking for Folake in the night, Folake for the night. Oh, we don't want them. We are looking for those who want to chill with the big boys, who wants to do doings, wants to go out. Understand? Put insurance. Nothing. Don't worry. So let's see the first 5 people tonight that will join me on this ride. Quarter 2022, December. Let's go. So I hope that's all for the cruise. I'll be able to join you. I hope to see you guys join up so we can learn together. We can put in the work together and make money. Do you understand? We can put in the work. Like the Russia put in the work. Russia put in the work and became one of the world's strongest countries. So let us put in the work so we can be our own Putin. You understand? Yes. And build a very strong village. You understand? So that's it. Anyway, take care. Okay. Take care. The YouTube channel, the YouTube link has been posted now. See it under this thing. And also, those who want to register tonight, just send me a message now so I can tell you how you make your payment and register. I can join the group so we can start. We can give you a video course or I can start your training. Okay, so that's just it. We're really happy to have you on, and God bless you. Have a wonderful night, and think of how you're going to make money alone. Live for lucky alone. You understand? And make money first. The rest will follow. Thank you, and God bless you. Rock, I really appreciate you today. About to end the meeting. We thank God for this successful meeting, and we'll upload everything by this week on our YouTube channel. We'll upload it by this week on our this Zoom meeting. We'll be uploading on our YouTube channel. But other Zoom meetings have been uploaded on our YouTube channel. You can go and check it. Other topics are there. Okay. Then our other videos will be uploaded there too. So if you know you're interested in learning, you want to start tonight, you want to understand, you can just chat me up. Thank you, and God bless you as I end this meeting. Have a wonderful week ahead. Take care.